Hello and good afternoon, everyone. It's my privilege to welcome our respected Honorable Chancellor Dr. Asim Chauhan, Vice Chancellor Lieutenant General V.K. Sharma, Registrar Dr. Hira Vyas, HOI Dr. Nima John Ma'am, HOD Mr. Sudhakar Sir, and my dear students. Today, we all have assembled here to celebrate Innovation Day. Why do we celebrate Innovation Day? Also, you might be knowing why do we celebrate it. It's our Honorable Chancellor Dr. Asim Chauhan's birthday. Every year, new events are carried out on all the campuses of Amity on this particular day. We, ASCO, that's Amity School of Communication, will be celebrating Innovation Day by showing students' work through virtual exhibition, and that is how we will, I'll say, celebrate our Innovation Day. And for this, the credit goes to Professor Mr. Pranav More and Mr. Vijay Dhavale. Without them, it was not possible. And this inauguration will be done by our today's guest, Professor Dr. Vinod Narayan Indulkar. So now I would like to invite Ms. Nidhi ma'am and also request her to say a few lines about our guest professor, Dr. Vinod Narayan Indulkar. Nidhi ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So our chief guest for the program today is Dr. Vinod Narayan Indulkar, sir. He's a dynamic personality. He has completed BSc, BPharm, BA, MA in philosophy, MFA, PhD in drama, and is also a D.Lit in fine arts. Sir is a maestro in acting, a theatre accumulate, guru, and sole recipient of D.Lit in acting across the globe. Sir is a trainer in performing art and structured skills of national and international eminence. He's a research guide under whose guidance 26 PhDs have been awarded to research scholars in performing and visual arts. Sir is admired diction deliverance before audience, a prolific writer, emulating artist and performer. He is the beneficiary of various state, national, international awards in fine arts and is also a recipient of V. Shantaram Memorial Maharashtra Hindi Sahitya Academic Award and outsourced by media, corporates, government bodies, and institutions for seeking know-how and expertise in the domain of performing arts like theater, television, and films. He also has logarithmic skills, creativity, and management of events and spectacles, advisors, and is also an expert at UGC, NSD, CCRT, SCZCC. And there is so much more to add. Thank you for your presence today, sir. Thank you for joining us today. We welcome you.
Thank you.
I hand over to Bharat. Please proceed further.
Thank you, Nidhi ma'am, for such a welcome and beautiful these things about sir. Now it's my honor to welcome Dr. Nima ma'am. What should I say about her personality? She is the head of institute of our institute of ASCO and also an associate professor of Amity School of Communication and Amity Film School. She has gained formal education in multiple spheres, which includes a PhD in applied arts and double masters in visual and mass communication. Ma'am, I would like to invite you and please say a few lines, a few words about our guest today. Ma'am, unmute yourself, please.
Thank you, Bharat, for such a wonderful introduction, and thank you, Nidhi, for introducing a person I don't have any words for. He is my guide, my guru, and a person who transformed my life. I'm sorry, but so thank you for being here, and I feel very proud that you have come and you are inaugurating the visual virtual art exhibition. Thank you. I will speak to you again, and it's very ironic actually for us to, meet here, because my life transformed, after I did my PhD under Dr. Vinod Indurkar sir, and I am whatever I am today is because of my guide, and that is Professor Dr. Vinod Indurkar. So I am very happy and delighted that, sir, you are with us today, and you are heartily welcome
Thank
to
you.
Amity School of Communication and Amity Film School and to the animation department. I no words of gratitude I can, will suffice or, will ever, uh, fulfill or probably suffice my feelings, because he's a true light for every student. He is a true guide for every student, and he taught me how to be a good teacher. So, thank you so much. Before I, these are a lot of blocked emotions, but thank you so much, sir, for coming. I'm totally indebted and full of gratitude. Thank you. I would now hand over to Bharat sir, and Bharat sir, please proceed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Looking at your emotions, we can make it out ki how you are attached to our guest professor. So we are also thankful, Vinod sir, Dr. Vinod sir, and we are very proud to be here, like as a guest to be over here. So now I would like to, I'll say, request basically to Professor Dr. Vinod Narayan sir to inaugurate this event by clicking on the link.
Inaugurate कैसे करना है? Yeah. Sir, मैं करता हूँ. Wait, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, it's visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Indulkar sir.
Yes.
Sir, if you have permission, then I click the button.
आवाज नहीं आ रही साउंड.
सर आपका परमिशन है ना, ये इनॉग्रेशन का स्टार्ट करो ना.
हाँ.
मैं स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ ना इनॉग्रेशन.
या यू कैन.
If you have permission, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is our site for link for exhibition. Yes, is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is visible. A round of applause, like for this inauguration, and I'll say the time taken and.
So I am just enter in exhibition hall. So there is first painting. There is name created by Shashwat Mathur, software in Blender 3D. Sound is audible?
Yes, sir.
This is Photoshop work. sir, next second hall.
Names of the students and their work.
There is Maya software work. That's it, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So there
for
is
showing this.
almost, wait, I just stopped the button. Wait. Yes. So there is our student work, approximately 40 to 50 paintings, all digital. भरत सर आप बता सकते हैं कुछ
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
इसके बारे में? This is Maya, Max,
Yes, sir.
Blender.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Sir, basically, all these works were done by the students, first of all, and this has right from the beginning, semester 1 to semester 5, all the semester works, students have worked for this. And these works are like basic from the sketching to digital painting, then after that, next coming up to the 3D artist level, lighting work. So all those things are like we have took all those work and put it together on this particular virtual platform, so that like due to this pandemic thing, we were not able to show the students works like we usually do what in the offline mode. We just place all the works in the campus, and then they show their talent. We have a lot of things which we do during this particular day, but
Voice is audible. Hello.
hello, yes sir,
It's not audible, I say.
it's not audible.
Yeah.
Okay. Now is it audible, sir? Hello,
Hello.
Omkar.
Sir, are you
हेलो
Hello. Voice का
इंदुल सर का आवाज अच्छा तरह से आ रहा है ना, हमारा नहीं जा रहा है।
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, मतलब ऑडिबल नहीं है वॉइस।
अच्छा,
ओके 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 फाइन सर, मैं थोड़ा जोर से बोलता हूँ बेटर।
please speak a little?
Yes, 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 yes. Sir, basically, this work is like done from the students. It is audible now. ये pitch ठीक है कि थोड़ा और high करूँ sir?
होना और होना।
थोड़ा और. Okay, okay. All right.
ड्रामा वाले समान बोलो,
Sorry sir.
ड्रामा के एक्टर जैसे बोलते हैं जोर से वैसा बोलो।
अच्छा ड्रामा के
अच्छा।
एक्टर सर, मुझे उसके लिए स्पेशली आपसे सीखना पड़ेगा सर,
ट्रेनिंग लेना पड़ेगा।
ट्रेनिंग लेना पड़ेगा उसके लिए। Okay sir. So basically, this works what we have seen here is it's all students works, and right from semester 1 to semester 5 in all these works are done by the students, and what we have seen here is sketching, digital painting, 3D work, which includes Max and Maya as well as Blender software, and which there are different categories like modeling, texturing, and lighting. So we have all the multiple things which is shown right like in front of you. And this step why we have taken, it's because of the pandemic issue. Usually what happens ki we keep this on our campus, but due to this pandemic and online stuff, we were little like how to perform this thing. So our professor Mr. Pranav sir came up with this idea. Okay, we have this platform available, so why not to use this thing? So that is the reason we came up with this idea, and it went very well. And this was really very awesome platform to see all the students works at one place. And I would like to request our guest, Dr. Vinod sir, to say a few lines regarding student works and all
Exhibition, yeah.
about exhibition.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well,
Yes sir, yes sir.
yeah. So it's nice that you have done something different with a very different concept in mind and a lot of innovative ideas. So I appreciate your work, the work of your students.
Thank you, sir.
I always ask my students one question: what is important in bullock cart? Only one thing, student must tell me what is that thing which is very important in bullock cart, without which we cannot think about bullock cart. Then there are so many answers. Some say that bullock itself is important, or the person, he is important, road is important, and sitting space which is available in the bullock cart, that is important. Then fabrication work, engineering work, and so many things. My dear friends, the only thing which is important, is the concept of bullock cart. Unless there is concept, you cannot think of anything in art.
Very
So
true.
art is concept. But it's not only concept. There has to be a performance. So there are two things, two conditions in arts. Students must note. One is known as the essential condition, and the other is known as sufficient condition. Just like when we define parallel lines, we have two conditions. That they should be in the same plane is the first condition, which is very essential, and that they should not intersect each other is its sufficient condition. Unless both the conditions are satisfied, they are not parallel lines. Similarly, in any art, for example, theater, the essential condition is the dramatic script, and it is the concept of drama. But only having concept of drama and dramatic script, drama is not complete. The art of drama is never complete. There has to be a performance on the stage. So, on one hand, you have academic part, and on the other hand, you have practical part. So, academic part and practical part both are important. Just now we have seen so many animation works in different categories and lot of creativity. So there was concept in each frame, and there was a performance of students, and there was creation. But then what is creativity is important. Creativity, my dear friends, creativity is not doing. Creativity is not doing. It is allowing. Allowing inner forces to unleash. Just like vacuum in bamboo, it allows air to pass through so that there is beautiful sound which is known as music. So creativity is allowing. You yourself don't become hindrance or obstacle. You allow things to open out. You allow things to happen. And then there are three conditions. What are those conditions? To be a creative person, to be a creative art, you always use the word, oh, how creative that work is. What's that? The first condition is that the work should look like original work. The second condition is that there should be some novelty in it, as if you are seeing for the first time. And then there should be independent existence of your own work. One must realize that it has independent existence of its own. If an artist satisfies these three conditions, then it is a creative work. But it does not mean that it is non-creative work. If these conditions are not fulfilled, it does not mean it is non-creative work. It is a work. It may be excellent work. It may be work which is appreciated by so many people. That may happen. But whether it is creative work, that you have to decide. Students must decide on their own whether my work is creative or not. There may be various forms in your work. There may be some rhythm in your work. In any artistic work, there is always a rhythm between various elements. Rhythm is not made for music only. There is rhythm in painting. There is rhythm in acting. There is rhythm in talking. So there is rhythm in everything. There is rhythm in our body movement, in our action, in our movements, in everything. So that rhythm one has to achieve. Just you draw one line on your paper and then it has rhythm, or it may not have rhythm. If it is rhythmic sound is known as music. Any sound is not known as music. Any sound is never music. It is rhythmic sound which is known as music. So there should be rhythm. That's why people say music is poetry of sound, and dance is an echo of music. Then what is there in animation? In animation, you have so many things. And the most important thing for any animator is always placement of character building, to understand the character, to understand the gestures and postures of the character. That's why an animator always tries to learn the characteristic nature of the character he is portraying by means of animation. So his drawing must be good. Sketches must be good. He must draw so many sketches. He must be in a habit of drawing so many sketches. And then there is character. Technique is there. Technique is always there. But more than technique, concept, content, emotions, sensitivity, creativity, these are the terms which an artist must learn. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच. लाइक आई विल से, थोड़ा मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा बिकॉज दिस इज रियली वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थोड़ा सा ज्ञान सर, थोड़ा सा ज्ञान आपसे मिला और इतनी खुशी हासिल हुई है. नीमा मैम ने तो आपके पास से पूरा गाइड सीखा है. शी इज रियली वेरी वेरी ब्लेस्ड.
रिदम का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या सर ने पता है? माय गॉड,
एकदम ऑसम, एकदम ऑसम.
बाप रे सर.
Now you know I am his student.
यस
सिर्फ
यस.
सुना था सर आपके बारे में, ये बस डिसाइड हुआ और आपने रिक्वेस्ट हमारी एक्सेप्ट किया और इमीडिएटली एक्शन. थैंक यू नीमा मैडम, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू नीमा मैम.
He is because of sir.
राइट राइट.
राइट राइट राइट.
He's my guru.
माय गॉड. थैंक यू.
थैंक
मैम,
Okay.
मैम सम स्टूडेंट्स का जो फाइल है ना बहुत हेवी है, दैट्स व्हाई वो जो एग्जीबिशन में हम लोग ये नहीं इंक्लूड नहीं किए. तो अगर आपकी परमिशन है तो सर को एक वीडियो में शो करो हमारा एनिमेशन, मेन जो एनिमेशन होता है तो एनिमेशन का. ठीक है सर?
Please go ahead.
एक
Sure,
3
sure.
मिनट्स का.
Thank you very much.
सर वेट करो.
Sir, please wait. We have another short video.
शॉर्ट
Okay.
वीडियो सर.
Okay.
सर म्यूट है सर ते.
एक मिनिट, याला साऊंड नाही आहे रे.
ओके
जस्ट
ओके सर.
विजुअल साऊंड नाही सर.
सर जब आप शेयर करेंगे तो ऑप्शन आएगा शेयर साउंड, उस पर चेक कर दीजिए.
नहीं नहीं, जस्ट शो रील है, इसको साउंड नहीं है. ललित वीडियो इज विजुअल ना?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is all gaming character. It's particle and dynamic. It's live action and animation in 3ds Max. This is VFX. Yes,
Nice.
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, this was just few works which was done by students, which include visual graphics and lot of 2D animation, 3D animation and all. Now, question answer round.
Yes, question answer.
So
There
I
is
would
one
like-
student, Anand Shirsagar. Hello, Anand.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hello, sir. My name is Anand Shirsagar, and my question is, how is your process from imagination to making it come alive in your work? Can you share us the process from which your ideas which comes into the work, your work?
Which work? Bharat sir, please जरा explain कीजिए.
Sir,
Sir,
just a
any
minute.
work or teaching guidance and ideas.
Sir, basically his question is, what is the process of imagination for making a live work from imagination to a live work? It's you want to understand the process.
You are asking me
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
from imagination to
To the live
To
work.
the real world, means
Live world.
to the reality.
you see, there are two things. One is the material, raw material, and the other things are tools. In acting, actor has raw material on one side and tools on the other side. His body is his tool. Then what is the tool of painter? Brush. And what is the material? Colors, canvas. So what is the material of actor? Raw material of actor? It's a very difficult question. What is the raw material of an actor? His tools or apparatus is his body. Body is his apparatus. But what is his raw material? People don't think of it. The raw material of an actor is imagination, observation, and experience. These are the three things. They are not visible things. First thing is observation, second is imagination, and third is experience. Now you apply this thing to any art. You have to have observation for good imagination. And you have to have experience for good imagination. Before imagining anything, you have to be well versed with so many things. You must know the reality of the world. You must understand the world you are living in. You must understand the happenings. You must understand the reasoning behind it. You must be rational enough to know so many things which are surrounding you. And these are the basic things. On these basic things, you imagine so many things. But then imagination has no limit. Mind you, imagination has no limit at all. one can imagine anything. And that imagination is in the hands of the artist. But simply imagination is not sufficient again. You have to follow certain processes. You have to follow some order. You have to follow some methods in art. And you have to understand these methods. So there is drama, there is script, there is canvas, there is concept, there is thought, and there are so many things. And above all, there is imagination. Imagination has played a vital role in the development of art. You must remember this. It's because of imagination that you find so many great works in the world. But there is a definite process which is to be followed. Collection of material, collection of raw material, understanding the nature of raw material, managing the raw material, composing the raw material, using certain method, by using that raw material and making something else with the help of that raw material. But for that, an artist has to visualize things. A sculptor, for example, the visualization part of a sculptor is always greater than any artist. He may be dramatist, he may be actor, he may be dancer, he may be musician, he may be poet, he may be a very good singer. But the visualization of sculptor, that part of a sculptor is always very effective and very important also, very significant. For example, I will give you an example. If you have to make Gandhi from a particular stone, what a sculptor does, what is his action, what is his procedure? He does not bring about Gandhi from the stone. He simply takes his hammer with him. He removes that part which is not Gandhi. What remains is Gandhi. So the form of Gandhi is already there in the stone. For that matter, form of anything, any figure, any object is there in the stone. What an artist has to do is that which is not necessary, that he has to remove. Now this is the procedure. You may imagine so many things, but you must understand what is necessary and what is not necessary. What is essential and what is not essential. What is required and what is not required at that particular moment. In that particular situation, in that particular format, you have to understand that. And then accordingly, you have to do action. So from imagination to performance, these are the things. But then what you have imagined may not be there on the canvas. Because while in processing, when you are in the process of making something, there are so many changes. And these changes are on psychological level, physical level, emotional level, cultural level, intellectual level. On so many levels, there are so many changes going on. And what you think, what you imagine is never drawn on the canvas. What you draw on the canvas is a totally different thing. But then you have to appreciate it. And you have to admire it. Because something different has come out. You had imagined something, you had something, some different thing in your concept in your mind. And when it is drawn on the canvas, it is totally different thing, but it is creative. It is meaningful. It has its own meaning. Therefore, this has to be also appreciated. So from imagination to performance, these are the things which happen, and you have to follow these things and understand these things. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this lovely answer. I'm totally
Thank you, sir.
like no words, like to be very
There is,
honest, no
one
words. Sir.
student, Ayush Rai. Hello, Ayush. Please on your video.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. So, sir, my question is, like, there are times that we go on internet to find some good references to do our work. Like, I have to do some 3D sculpting, so I go on internet, and there are tons of work on the internet, and sometimes we do feel demotivated. Will we will be able to achieve that or not? So, what are your views, or like any suggestion that how we can cope that?
The first thing is that you must always think in mind that you can do it. This will happen. That much of confidence you should have because you're an artist. You're not an ordinary man. Just remember, God has not sent you like an ordinary man. An artist is different from any other man in the world. Every artist has his own existence and identification. He must first understand himself. He has to go deeper in his own body, in his own mind, in his own intellect. And then he will find that, yes, he has this thing. He has this quality. And then he becomes very confident that, yes, I can do it. So have that confidence in you. Let there be so many things outside. There will be so many things outside. There will be so many references and contexts. Read them. They are useful. No doubt. You must know what is going on in the world. And you must know the modern technology. You know that. But then you can surpass those things. Just believe in yourself. And I guarantee you, you will come out of that.
Thank you,
This
sir.
will not come into your mind. Motivate yourself. Atta Deepa Bhava. This has been said by Buddha. Atta Deepa Bhava. अपने अंदर के प्रकाश को पहचानो, क्योंकि अंदर में प्रकाश है. गड़बड़ तो अंदर है, बाहर सब कुछ ठीक है. तारों में लय है, आकाश है, पृथ्वी है, सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे हैं. बाहर सब कुछ ठीक है, गड़बड़ अंदर है. ये जो अंदर में जो गड़बड़ है अपने, उसको पहचानना पड़ेगा. वो गड़बड़ एक बार पहचान लिया तो फिर अपने को सारे मार्ग मिलते हैं. इसलिए मेरे में क्या है, व्हाट इज देयर इन मी, को हम, मैं कौन हूं, ये एक बार आपने पहचान लिया तो ये सारी बातें जो है ये आपको कभी डीमोटिवेट करेंगी नहीं. So go with this experiment. Thank you so much.
Very nice, sir. वाह, क्या बात है.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So
So
next,
question जो ये question answer में है ना.
हाँ सर, मैं read कर दे रहा हूँ.
Please, sir.
Sir, like Gayatri Kale is asking, how to make impactful art, keeping psychology of the viewer in the mind.
कैसा करना है? 10% बैटरी अभी मेरी मोबाइल की हो गई. What to do? So I did not understand your question.
She is asking how to make impactful art. How to make impactful art, keeping psychology of the viewer in the mind, like those who is going to view at the end user, basically.
Psychology of the audiences.
Viewer, audiences, yes.
Okay.
So how to create that art, impactful art?
First, you understand two things. There is a psychology everywhere, but as far as our artistic work is concerned, there is psychology of creation and there is psychology of perception. When artist works, there is involvement of psychology of creation. He's creating something. And the psychology which is concerned with the creativity, that is there. Once the creative part is involved, once the creative part is complete, once the art is complete, then arises the question of perception. Now here the psychology of perception arises. Here there is audience, and audience have their own personality. Each observer has his own identification, own personality, own likes and dislikes. He may like your art, he may not like your art. He may something more about your art which you also never thought of. What he perceives is important for him. And perception is very individual thing. There cannot be mass perception. So each one who is perceiving because of his own intellect, because of his own emotion. He has also his own emotional world. He has his own intellectual world. And then he may find something from your creation, which you never thought. Now, this is psychology of perception. You have to understand the psychology of perception, also not only psychology of creation. That means you have to understand yourself, and at the same time, you have to understand the society. You have to understand the people living in society. You have to understand the type of society which is surrounding you. And then you have to understand the whole nation, and then the world, and then the globe, and then the humanity at last. So these are the things which you must understand as an artist. Then only you can understand the psychology of the audience, how they perceive, what can they perceive from my own work. So if you are trying to understand these things, then while creating something, this will be always in your mind without affecting the creation. Thank you.
Awesome answer, sir. Next is from Madhurima. She is asking how to monetize our artworks. What is the process of monetizing our artworks?
How to
Monetize.
modify?
Monetize.
Make money.
Making money.
Making money.
Money, you are asking me. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
Real question.
This is very intelligent question.
Intelligent question, yes.
And I am not intelligent enough to answer this because I have not earned any money from my any art. I have been doing theater, and you know, theater persons don't earn anything, but painters do. Now, the world, today's modern world, and the thinking of young generation is very different. If we have to think about monetary part of our artwork, then you have to understand what is modern psychology, how people think now, what they need now. And according to their need, whether it is possible for us to do the work. For that, you have to have your own nature like that. If you are not ready to commercialize things, You just cannot. So that is the difference between a creative painter and a commercial artist. Commercial artist also creates something, definitely, like a painter. But then he understands the psychology of the people who are purchasing it. So you will have to change yourself. If you want to have monetary gain, you will have to change yourself and you will have to compromise on so many things. Are you ready for that? If you are ready for that, then okay, you can earn so many things. If you can compromise, you can do so many things. If you go according to the likings and dislikings of the audience and the people living in the society and the people who are purchasing, if you can go with them, yes, you can have monetary gain. But then you will have to change yourself. You will have to first decide what kind of monetary gain you want. Once you decide that, then there are so many things. Then there could be so many ways. And the people now today are using so many things. Amazon is the great example. Amazon की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई? आज Amazon कहाँ है? पहुंच गए। तो क्या करते हैं? They understood the psychology of the people. They understood the psychology of Indian people, Japanese people, Chinese people, German people, and the people living around the world. They have understood that, and that's why they can sell their products. एनिमेशन में तो अभी ऐसा है कि कितनी सारी बातें हो रही हैं, कितने सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हो रहे हैं, कितने सारे लोग काम कर रहे हैं, कितने सारे क्रिएटिव ब्रेन्स उसमें आज काम कर रहे हैं। जो मैंने एग्जीबिशन आपका अभी देखा, ये उसी का रिजल्ट है। कितनी वेराइटीज थी एग्जीबिशन वर्क में, जो वेराइटीज देखने को मिली मुझे, वो कितनी सारी थी। कितने सारे एक्सपीरियंस थे। लाइट एंड साउंड का, लाइट एंड शेड का भी खेल था, कॉन्सेप्ट का भी खेल था, कंपोजिशन भी था, प्लेसिंग ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी था, कैसे किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस करना है ये भी था, मैनिपुलेशन भी था, देयर वाज मैनिपुलेशन आल्सो। तो इतनी सारी बातें मेरे को इसमें देखने को मिली सब। तो यंग आर्टिस्ट जो है, अभी जो एनिमेटर्स जो है, यंग लड़के जो काम कर रहे हैं, आपके अंडर में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, उन्हीं का वो एग्जीबिशन था। But it was not only exhibition for the sake of exhibition. There was experimentation on various levels. So that must be appreciated. अब ये यदि सुंदर भी है, क्रिएटिव भी है, तो नेचुरली उसको कुछ कीमत तो मिलेगी, उसको कीमत जरूर मिलेगी। ये लड़कों ने थोड़ा ख्याल में रखना चाहिए कि मेरे वर्क को जरूर कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा, क्योंकि मेरा वर्क मोस्ट क्रिएटिव, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल है और मोस्ट कन्विंसिंग है। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। लाइक सीरियसली हर एक क्वेश्चन के पीछे इतना डेप्थ नॉलेज आई हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ, एंड द एक्सप्लेनेशन व्हाट यू गेव इज रियली लाइक हैट्स ऑफ, आई विल से।
थैंक यू सो मच।
And any more questions? Like anyone is left? No.
I think we should proceed further with the vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And before that, I'd like to thank Dr. Vinod Indurkar sir for coming and gracing the occasion. I'm sorry I got a little emotional because the artist has a lot of emotions. और जैसे ही अपने गुरु को देखा, एकदम बरस पड़ा. So I'm very sorry about it, but you understand my emotions, and I'm sure everybody does.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
this is the role of a teacher that needs to be defined, and the power of teaching. You can imagine. I literally, he held my hand and took me through the path of life, and created a new Nima. So that's what sir is. I'm a living example of his enlightenment. So I wish all of you, because we did not celebrate the Teachers' Day together, but this is a very good occasion where, Professor Indulkar sir is with us. And at least today, not just the students, but I think all the teachers have,
Right.
learned a lot.
Yes,
And,
ma'am.
we all have drawn some lessons today. And we would really, we're very thankful to you, sir, for coming and gracing the occasion. And, with your presence, you have really enlightened the moment of virtual visual art exhibition. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Sudhakar sir
Yes, yes.
to do the vote of thanks.
Yes. इंदुलकर सर, मतलब इतने टाइम से बस सिनेमा मैम से मैं सुन रहा था सिर्फ, आज एक एक शब्द में सच में हजारों एलिफेंट्स का वेट है पूरा। क्या क्या सीखने के लिए मिल रहा है सर एक एक शब्द में। माय गॉड गाइस, आई थिंक आई होप कि सब लोगों ने एंजॉय किया रहेगा। एंड दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल इवेंट और हमें इंदुलकर सर मिले हैं यहाँ पे। मैं इंदुलकर सर का विदाउट परमिशन ना गाइस मैं सबको प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ, सर को हम लोग वापस इनवाइट करेंगे। राइट नीमा मैम? So thank you, Dr. Vinod Indulkar sir, from the bottom of my heart, for respecting and expecting our request to given us your valuable time, and we are really grateful for your guidance to our students. Also, I would like to thank our Honorable VC Lieutenant General V.K. Sharma and our HOI Dr. Nima John, Registrar Dr. Hira Vyas, and IT department. And also would like to thank my animation faculty members like Mr. Mahesh Ahire sir, Mr. Nitesh Gole, Mr. Pranav More sir, Mr. Bharat Santalia sir, Mr. Vijay Davle sir, and my all ESCO faculty. Without their help and efforts, it would not be possible. Thank you once again, sir, Dr. Indulkar sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We are seriously, we are blessed today.
Really.
Thank you, Nima ma'am. Thank you so much.
Nima ma'am, आपका पहले thank you.
Thank you, Nima ma'am. Thank you, Vinod sir.